experiment is our KATER'S compound pendulum. So this is the pendulum. So this pendulum we will suspend it here, and then we will perform the experiments by giving some angular displacement from a stable position. Then it will oscillate, and that oscillation time period, periodic time, we will find out, and then we will find out the value of G. So before performing the experiments, this is called knife edge. This knife edge we will suspend it here, and this knife edge, another knife edge is this one. This position can be changed as why this is compound pendulum, as its mass is distributed mass. So earlier simple pendulum was simple mass, it's concentrated load, and this one is your distributed mass. This is knife edge, and this is one mass. This mass can also be adjusted, position can also be adjusted throughout this rod. So this knife edge, any direction we can suspend it, and we can give oscillation. Before doing this experiment, you need to find out, suppose at this configuration this mass is here, and this is knife edge is here, and this knife edge is here. So we can change the position also, and whatever position we will change, then after that you need to put this simple pendulum, this mass body here, then you will need to put it like this. You need to find out the CG of this body. First you need to find out the CG of where CG lying by putting it like this. Suppose this is balance, this CG is here, center of mass or center of gravity. So that value where it lies, that we will mark it. Then after marking, we will measure the distance, how much this to this distance, and from this to this distance, and this to this distance. So after measuring the distance, we will note down, then this distance, this value will be required for doing the calculation. So now we will suspend it any direction of the knife edge. We will put it. Once we suspend it, then what we will do, as we did in simple pendulum, we will give some angular displacement from its stable position. So this way we will give some angular displacement. Then this will oscillate around 50 or 100 oscillation. We will count. From that we will find out the time period, periodic time, and then we will calculate the value of G. This way we can perform this compound pendulum experiment, KATER'S compound pendulum, and the different length. This position we can change, this mass position we can put it here and here. The different position you can put it, and this knife edge position also you can put it. Then this CG or center of mass of this body will change at different. If we change this mass at some other location, and this knife edge some other location, this knife edge some other location, then again CG point will change at different point. So that way, changing this length, we will put it, we suspend it, then we will give the angular displacement. This way we will give the angular displacement. This will oscillate, and we will find out the time period, periodic time, and we will complete the experiment, different length of this knife edge and this mass. So this way we need to complete whole experiment.